Hello everyone,
Good
good
day
morning.
everyone, my name is
Welcome to
Ufik.
my YouTube
You're
channel.
welcome to my
Today
channel
we'll be
where you
talking
learn how
about
to get your body
exercise.
goal without surgery and steroids. Today we are going into what exercise is.
Now, why exercise? To be generally fit, you need to be in a good health and able to carry out everyday tasks comfortably. Exercise can be defined as health, physical exertion. Exercise is an activity you do to improve your health and fitness. It is a link between them. So the link between your health and fitness is the exercise. The general benefits of exercise. So, what do you gain when you exercise your body? Number one, improve health, stronger muscle, better flexibility, improve your body posture, improve heart and lung system, better appetite, feeling more relaxed, social life, improve quality of life, reduce risk of diseases and illness. Benefits of exercises: the physical benefits, the mental benefits, and social benefits. In our next slide, we'll be talking about each of these benefits. The physical benefits of exercising include our physical fitness, it strengthens our heart and skeletal muscles, it strengthens our bones and connective tissue, it improves our posture, it improves our physical appearance, it enhances our appetite, improves our sleep and general health. So basically, engaging in exercise helps in our daily lives, correct our posture, the way we walk, and agility to do some other things. So now we'll move to our mental benefits, and these include able to cope with stress, control our emotions, you enjoy yourselves. Lastly, exercise help improve self-confidence and self-esteem. And this usually happens when you start seeing results, so you start feeling yourself. And the last is the social benefits, and this include the provision of opportunities for socialization. It improves your social skills. You tend to be able to meet people, make friends, and get support. So, and it brings people together. That's the
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notifications of new videos from us.